This is Mickey. I'm going to show today a little bit on Python's datetime. So first we'll import the package. Let me make sure this file Python configured. Then we could call variable. So we should call v for variable equals read time dot take time. So take time, inside take time, we want to turn now time. And then we'll print it. So we want print let's say we go print the current we could say to print the current time, for example. So you said the current time is print. Then I want to also print if it's like a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So you do the same thing, except in the middle it will change. So what I mean by that is we'll still use v with the only difference will come here where we would say instead of c we could say a. So here we have the time, here we could print the status, and another thing you can do is to print we can also say there are lots of things where you can say to print. You can also say to print. Let's take a let's say it's century. We are in century. We are in. Yeah, so they said some examples. So if you run it, you can see here, let's say right now it's cater time, and it's Saturday today, and we're the 20th century. There's lots of other things you can do with it. It all depends what you want to do with the take time module, but that's all for this demo. Thank you.